Yeah, I'm back. Yes. Uh, Let us start with your introduction part. Okay. So, start your session. Like just now, who has given
It's me,
intro?
ma'am, Sayyed Adnan.
Okay. Nice to meet you today. And
Thank
next,
you.
who is willing to introduce yourself? One by one, start your introduction part. Yes. Introduction
Asif
part.
Sharif, start from your side.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Asif Sharif. I'm
Yeah.
from Golconda. I had completed my PG from Shadan PG College, graduation from St. Joseph Degree College. Right now, I'm a fresher, ma'am.
Okay.
Uh, we are consist of 4 members family. I'm the eldest son. That's all about me.
Okay. And one more thing I want to conclude this. Don't repeat, ma'am. Just introduce yourself in short. Okay. Don't repeat this word, ma'am, sir. Okay. Jazakallah.
Jazak.
Next.
Good
Good afternoon,
afternoon.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah.
Fahad Ali next.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Fahad. I have completed my graduation from Osmania University in the year 2012. Then I have visited Dubai. I have been working there as an general accountant for last 7 years. And my hobbies are uh, playing tennis, table tennis, and billiards.
Okay.
And I enjoy visiting different places.
Okay.
Right now, I'm in Hyderabad. I'm looking for new opportunities to learn and grow in my future. Thank you. That's all about me.
Okay. Nice to know about the hobbies and the places you like it. Okay. Next,
May I
please.
introduce about me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mr. Gausuddin. Gausuddin next.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am and dear friends. I am Ghausuddin from Golconda Fort. Uh, I did my graduation in engineering from Methodist College of Engineering, affiliated to Osmania University. Then after, I worked in Sutherland Global Services for the short time. Then I moved to Europe for when I got an opportunity on the scholarship program to pursue my higher studies. So I have explored Europe and I have traveled couple of like few countries over there, and it was my international exposure as a student. So then I returned back. Then the lockdown has happened. Because of that, I couldn't find the better job. I have applied multiple time, couple of time to Amazon, but because of some lack of performance, maybe I don't have the proper skills in English. I got rejected. So I'm not satisfied with the present job. Like I got few, offer letter, but I'm further looking for good job. So inshallah, this class will help me. Thank you very much for making me introduce. Thank you
Mashallah.
very much, madam.
Yeah, nice to know more about you and your experiences. You have a broad experience, mashallah. So, inshallah, don't think that you don't have that much of skill that organization needed. So that don't make yourself in the inferiority complex. You should feel yourself like a superior. Then only you can go through anything, inshallah.
Yeah, this is my introduction. So I made my points whether it is negative or positive. So one should know, the front person should know. That's why I make it clear.
Yeah, yeah, you should be every time you should be positive. Every time you should
Inshallah.
if you are facing any negative things, but you should be positive. You go through the positive things only, inshallah you will achieve.
Inshallah.
Next, our Riaz Ahmed.
Hello, this is Riaz Ahmed. I
Okay.
have done BTech from Shadan College of Engineering and Technology.
Yeah.
I was in Gulf. I came back to India 3 years back, and I joined in one company, e-discovery process. From last 3 years, I'm working in this company.
Okay. So still you are working.
Yes, I'm working.
Okay. Okay, good to know. Like, mashallah, everyone, be professional. As like everyone is going a B.Tech engineering, that is a professional course. So if
Yes,
we are gathering is there, and you should be a professional in any field or any specialization, you should be professional. You should have some like etiquettes, follow the etiquettes and be professional, and point to point, we should go in the conversation in the point to point things. Okay, don't elaborate the
okay,
things anything like so. And try to what are the who is there in front of you and what is his expectations, according to that you should communicate. So
okay.
like this you can go through anything. So job
Yes,
satisfaction is to, if you have don't have any job satisfaction, so so you have to improve yourself. So first identify where you have to work on which field, on which like in which criteria you are going lagging behind. So try to and
okay.
give your much time in that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, this is my suggestion. Next.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Next, our Sayyid Irfan.
Assalamualaikum. Yeah, Assalamualaikum. This is Saeed
Walaikum
Irfan.
assalam.
Yeah, myself Saeed Irfan. I'm a B graduate in the field of electronics and communication engineering, and having a total 2 years of experience. 1 year I worked in a Tata Tele Service Limited as a network engineer, and now I'm working in a computer solutions as a IT infrastructure engineer. And coming to my hobbies are playing cricket, reading books, and watching movies. So it's all about myself.
Okay,
Thank you for giving me the
Jazakallah.
opportunity to introduce myself.
Okay, Jazakallah, Sayyid Irfan. Yes.
Next, our Sayyid Umar. Sorry, Muhammad Usman. Muhammad Usman, are you there?
Hello,
Yeah.
hello. Myself Muhammad Usman. I live in Shekhpet, Hyderabad. I have just completed my undergraduation from ISL Engineering College affiliated Usmania University. Now I'm looking for a better job, but my interest is to do a job in the IT field. My dream is to become a Java developer. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh,
What are the measures? What are the steps you are taking? Your dream is to become a Java certified candidate. So how you are working for that? How much you have started working? How you have planned for that?
Ma'am, just now I have completed engineering, ma'am. So discussing with my family also, my family also has suggested me to crack this field in a IT job.
So not yet started.
No,
What?
ma'am, not I have not yet started. I have just now I have completed my engineering in 2020 last September, this
Oh,
September.
September, October, November. Okay.
So that's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Jazakallah.
Hello, ma'am.
yeah.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Actually, it's Sayyid Umar, but my video conference is coming under Godrej video conference. I don't know what exactly the setting is all about. I'm sorry for that. But my name is Sayyid Umar, and I'm from ISL Engineering College. I have been graduated in this last year, October 2020, and I have been graduated at Electronic and Communication Engineering. So myself, Sayyid Umar from belongs to an Himayat Nagar. It's been a very great opportunity for me as a fresher, as a right platform for me. So I'm eagerly looking for that to build my skills, build my communications, where I can fulfill my everything. So, thank you, ma'am.
Um, uh, Sir, just to make Godrej, you just rename it in
Yes,
your
sir. I don't know why
option.
itself the brain has been came into an existence.
You can find in your chat box, you come in our participant and select your name and make it rename over there. Okay, next our Muhammad Amjad.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Muhammad Amjad. Graduated.
Sir, it's done. My name is Sayyid Umar. Now it has been displayed. Thank you, sir, for that.
Okay.
Yeah, Amjad, continue.
Yeah, I am Muhammad Amjad. I graduate diploma in D3 Valley, and I am from Chota Bazar, Golconda. My hobby is to playing badminton, cricket. And my small goal is to work in some company that I can achieve some benefits to my family and
Inshallah. Yeah. You have finished with your intro part. Next.
Yes,
yes, next. Yes, next. S. Kumar.
Who is Kumar?
S. Kumar.
S. Kumar.
Yes, sir. And anybody ready with
Sheikh Abdul Rahim, you can continue.
Start. Yes, continue with the introduction part.
Sheikh Abdul Rahim.
You are not audible.
We could not able to voice. We could not able to hear your voice properly. Sheikh Abdul Rahim. Muhammad Majid.
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammad
Yes,
Majid.
sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, we can able to hear.
Hello.
Yeah, Majid, you can continue.
Yeah. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, my name is Muhammad Majid Hussain. I'm from Golconda, Hyderabad. Recently, I have done masters in power electronic in 2000 in WIF Engineering College with an aggregate of 74%. I have done projects in MTech and BTech in academic sections as per my academic sections. I have experience in substation, 6 years experience in substation as a testing engineer. So I left that job in 2019. 2019, so I'm looking for a job. And I would like to searching also in some skills to continue my work. So help to my skills. Coming to my family, my father is a Urdu poet in Delhi public academic year. So my mother is a primary education teacher, and my brothers are telecom engineer in substation. Oh, sorry, in Gulf. So my hobbies are listening music. Sometimes I like to do gym, and my strength is to become a very hardworking. Thank you.
Sheikh Hussain, you can continue your introduction. Sheikh Hussain. Sheikh Hussain. Sayyid Tahir.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Sir, shall I?
Yeah, you continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Azimuddin. I live in Archipet Mangalat, Hyderabad. I have completed my BTech in 2020 and I am a fresher. I don't have any experience. That's all. My hobbies are internet surfing and swimming. Thank you.
Yeah. Mohammed Amir, you given your introduction?
No.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. We can able to hear your voice.
My name is Muhammad Amir. My father's name is Mr. Muhammad Khurshid. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from Osmania University in 2018. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing snookers. My ability is I am flexible and I am honest. And my weakness is nothing.
Yeah. Sheikh Hussain, kindly give your introduction to all of us.
Oh, yes, sir.
If you don't know English, try to speak. Then only you can able to speak English. Yeah, guys, we are here to practice. No need to hesitate. Try to speak.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Sheikh Hussain. I am from Bada Bazar, Golconda.
Sorry for the interruption. Here at my place, power cut off. That's the reason my Wi-Fi got disconnected. I've connected with Sam. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, continue with your intro part.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is I'm from Bada Bazar, Golconda. Completed my graduation from the Lal Bahadur Degree College from Mehndipatnam, and my family consists of 7 members. And my hobbies are playing cricket, football, volleyball, swimming. Yes, okay, ma'am. Thank you for giving opportunity for the introduction.
Okay, Jazakallah. Yes.
Then
who want to who left with intro part?
Sayyid Tahir.
Myself.
Yeah.
M.A. Mukhtar.
Yeah. Kindly change your name.
Okay.
Here, Fatima Sai something is there.
Yeah.
Kindly rename.
Okay.
Next, Sayyid Tahir, kindly introduce yourself.
Yeah.
Sayyid Tahir Tayyib Razvi. I have done my graduation from Premier University, Tamil Nadu, Salem district, and I have 11 years of experience in IT field, and I'm looking to enhance my skills, upgrade my skills to the next level. I am in Hyderabad. 3.5 Chennai. System administrator, and Indo games I like. This is my introduction. Thank you very much for your.
Okay, Jazakallah, sir. Who left with intro part?
Yeah, myself. This is Mukhtar speaking.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Mohammad Abdul Mukhtar. I'm basically a mechanical engineer. Worked in Gulf for nearly 12 years, 12 to 13 years. I have completed my engineering in 2000 only. I'm very much elder. I think. How can I express myself? I'm the elder student in your batch now. All are just completed their engineering just now, most of them. And I'm married. I have 2 kids. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Okay, we are here to gather our experiences and share our experiences, views, and here. So nice to meet you all once again. You have much experiences in different fields, mashallah. Nice to know you have abroad experiences and everything. Just we need to upgrade ourselves and be positive and be think that you are superior. You can do anything. You have to give your time and practice also. With time and practice, the 2 factors you require to upgrade yourself. Inshallah, you can do it in 3 months if you dedicatedly give your time and your practice also in each and every field.
Thank you.
Okay. And IT field, we will talk about the IT field. What are the experience? Like most of them are from experience background. So what are the I want to share what experiences you have experienced during your interviews and IT field, how it is different companies you have, you are from different fields. So just share your views so that everybody knows what are the what are the factors you have come across. Like we want to know that. So you start. Anyone start with the experiences in your work? Just two incidents, two experiences. Start with your two experiences you want to share.
Hello, can I share? This is Mukhtar. Actually, when I completed my engineering, I worked in Dubai in 2008. There was some crisis. Due to that, I lost my job. I was in huge debt. Then I never leave the hope. Alhamdulillah. Then I got a job in Saudi Arabia also. There also I lost after 5 years because of I was on Azad visa. Faced so many problems 5 years because of the kafil problem. You know all these things. I think after that again I never leave the hope. Went to Qatar, worked there, and same thing happened to me again. And now I'm in Hyderabad, and still I know Allah will give me the risk. So I have the willpower. I will go forward, whichever field it is. Thank you.
Yes. क्या कर रहे हैं? हाँ. Yes, yes. Hello, I am audible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You are audible.
Yeah. One more thing I want to, like, we are gathered here to have a conference like that. So we should follow the protocol. Protocol means set of rules and regulation. So we are all are professionals. Okay. So gathering is to share the experiences, and we have to talk what are the things we are facing in our job profile, like that. So just maintain a discipline, your body language. You should face, you try to please face everybody. First factor of job is you have to face the things. Okay. For the interview, you have to face everybody. So in interview, if you're going for an interview, means you have a panel. Okay. Panel means it consists of interviewers, 2 interviewers or 4 interviewers. So first thing is you should be confident with your uh, posture. Okay. With your posture. So everybody should video on. Okay. And be professional. Alhamdulillah, all are professional. You are gone through the companies, mashallah, very nice companies. So only few are freshers. They will learn from us. Okay. Freshers. So please try to be, don't be like I am senior, I am junior, not like that. In colleagues means we all are equal in organization or in any conference. Okay. So please video on and be confident. So, and your be like professional, how to way of presenting yourself. Presentable. First thing is, first eye contact. Okay. Before you want to convey anything, the interviewer will check you. Okay. First impression is sight. If you are presentable, then he will ask you that type of whatever the presentation you have given to them. In that manner, he will ask you the questions. So you should be a very presentable. Okay. So then second thing is here, how you are going to convey the things, how you are going to communicate things. By your communication, you can make the failures success. Okay. You can make your failures success by your proper communication. Communication means not saying in English like that. Means whatever is there in your mind, you should present it. You have to convey it in a proper way so that the in front of you, that person will understand very clearly. Clearness should be there. Okay, and please try to be sit in the isolated place so that no other disturbance will be there from your side. Just like these days, due to this pandemic situation, we have everyone is working from home. So try to be at home itself. We have the office itself. So make the office environment in your home. Keep your one corner for the office purpose. So you have, Alhamdulillah, you have joined this online job oriented course. So just to work on this, inshallah, in 3 months, you can achieve it, inshallah. So be together. It's a teamwork. Team can do it. Everyone is from IT field, job. So job means, organization means a team. Team members, okay, team members, a group of people make a team. So in a teamwork, if we'll do teamwork, we will achieve it, inshallah. Okay, so anyone like any doubt of today's class? I have given presentation. Anything you want to ask?
Ma'am, can I share about my little bit work experience?
Yeah.
Yeah. First thing was that when I got graduated, right after that I moved to Pioneer Broadband. That was ISP, the internet service provider. So I was the associate engineer, based technician job. So it was field job. I have to go and make router setting and all those things. So I don't like that job. So I moved to Sutherland. There I did for Uber process. The work was the Uber cars and all those things. I was a customer sales representative. So in that, I used to call the people and used to tell them that get attached to Uber service and all those things. I was to explain plans and all those things, how the Uber service is being done. So this was about me. So I did some other jobs as well. So this was about me. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you for, sir. Thank you for focusing on Uber. So I want to, some of them just to come up with what did you feel about the Uber? What is, just give your views about the Uber. You have everyone experienced that Uber cab. Okay,
Yeah.
so that communication, we'll check ourselves that how we are communicating in a group. Okay, so we will today's topic will take Uber. Okay, what is a Uber? Everyone knows. Just share the two points about that Uber.
Okay, actually,
You have
many
done,
people.
sir, you have done. You have focused on that Uber. What is there? So just other team members, can you come up with the 2 points of the Uber? What you have come across? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I?
Yeah. Technical point of view. I want technical point of view.
Okay.
Behind the Uber, you know, the on-site, behind, off-site, how it is working. You have the knowledge that you want to share. Yes.
Firstly, I would like to describe to this because of
Sir, you are
Uber.
not audible and lots of disturbance. Please आप लोग just mute yourself. Only the one who is speaking.
Ma'am, can you unmute yourself? Just now I did whole participants to mute.
Sayyad Adnan, you can carry on, please.
Yes, ma'am. So Uber is one of the leading company in Hyderabad, not in Hyderabad, multinational company. So they are providing a car for the from with customer can directly order in the phone only. So they don't want to go anywhere
Phone
and
means
they have to
phone.
sit like a cell phone.
Phone it's there. Phone means, excuse me.
Okay.
Phone, it's not a proper one.
Okay.
To book a cab, we need a
Okay.
app. Yeah, isn't
Okay.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Using
Yes, ma'am.
phone, we are using different apps. Using that app, you are doing the business, dealing, everything. You can book anything using an app. So app
Okay,
is
ma'am.
available on the Play Store.
Play Store.
Okay. So
Yes.
we are graduates and we have experience. We are familiar with the everything on the net, and we have gone through the means. If you have, so just to go through the things, you just upgrade yourself by surfing the proper information. Okay, and carry
Okay,
on,
ma'am.
Sayyad Adnan.
Okay. Sorry for interrupting. And
Okay.
they are giving the more and more offers to interact with the customers, and they already know about the offers, and the customer will order the cab and they will greet the customer and they will provide some whatever they are providing a car for the customer from the home, and they will greet the customers and they will handle the customer in a good way, so customer will come next time.
Okay, I want to interrupt. In proper a single point-to-point sentences, it will provide the pick and drop facility.
Yes, ma'am.
It provides Uber will provide the pick and drop facility. Professional companies, they will check for the point-to-point things. How you will convey the things in a proper and point-wise. Okay. So,
Okay,
Jazakallah, thank you, sir, Adnan, Sayyid Adnan, and anyone technical point of view, just Uber. What is the
Yes, ma'am.
technical thing it will provide? Yes.
Uber has using the IT technology in a very good way that they have there's no barrier between the customer and the business. So they made it business to the customers in a very simple way by creating a application and which makes you very easy, so you don't have to walk to the market or some places to just hire an auto or something. So you can sit back at your home and do it very conveniently at your phone on your fingertips, and it gives you a very reliable reliable price, which you can trust on them that they're giving you the best price. And they're in this way they are benefiting both the person who has joined them in the purpose of business and the person who wants to be the customer. So in a simple way, like by utilizing IT, information technology, in a very good way, they have utilized it for a business purpose, and it is like overall throughout the world they are ruling, and they are doing the very good business by this.
Okay, good. Okay, today's homework, like I want to discuss more about this on Uber. So tomorrow you come up with the points, 2 points with the Uber, new things. Okay, like I want to focus on the Uber is basically using a system called, anybody? Uber is basically using a system called
GPS.
Yes, that I want a technical major point. As a technical persons, we are here, gather here. So we should talk, if you're going for an interview, we should talk a technical, more about the technical things. So he will check that he has the more knowledge of the technical thing. If you are lagging behind from the this one communication a little bit, but if you have more knowledge of the technical part, you can achieve that. So GPS is the most important thing of this Uber. So it's so what is the concept of this GPS?
It locates the person from his or her home, exact location.
Yeah.
It helps for the making the routes.
Yeah. So
It is a mapping.
Yes.
It is a geographical mapping, like it gives the when we select the destination, it shows the how much kilometers is the farthest and how much is closer, and it shows the different routings, and which is it also shows the traffic and all those things, whether the traffic is there and all those things. So it helps with the multiple things in this in the app.
Yeah. So you are from Europe, okay? Isn't it? You have visited Europe also. In India,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
has come late, GPS.
Yes,
GPS was there 10 years before, since in abroad. So GPS is global positioning system. So it
yes,
point out the position of that particular car, where it is
yes.
positioning in
We
the
heard
area, in that
first
particular,
we heard
while
about
booking
the GPS. According to like we Indians
Yes.
got famous like about GPS is that when Mumbai attack was done, like some terrorists came from the GPS in the sea. So we first heard about that. Like it was got trending at that time word about what is GPS at that time. So it was like 10 years ago, as you told.
Yeah, actually GPS is the positioning where the particular object or anything, it is where it is positioned. That system will identify. So using that technical thing, GPS, Uber has come up with that. So it is finding that organization has number of Uber cars. So on the map, it is distributed, and it can, by using this system, it can identify the position of that particular car. So it is
One thing I want to tell you, ma'am. One thing sorry to interrupt. One thing I want to tell. Uber doesn't provide any car. Just they have the application-based system. The person who has the car, they have to go and attach to Uber service. That is the thing.
Yeah. They
so Uber doesn't have car.
Means that under that they are working. No, under Uber organization, these cabs are working under that. Those who have the sources, they are joining with them. They have the technology. They have the technology, technical part, everything they have, and they are using the manpower and resources.
Yes.
So if we have the power of this knowledge, technical thing, technically if we sound, we can gain the world. Okay. So that I want to convey. And one more thing I want to, yes. So today we have discussed about this one, and I have given PPT. So I will share the PPT so that you can go through it and you can communicate that models, 2 or 3 models are there. So in that manner, try to introduce yourself tomorrow for 10 minutes. And on Uber also 2 points for 10 minutes. So we will segregate the session for 10 minutes like that. Okay. So I will come up with the new topic tomorrow.